peeps. Hey, I'm here to tell you all that this copper rally isn't over. Not even close. We're going to talk about this one copper company called Southern Copper Corporation. We're going to add this to our channel to show you all as to why we think this stock is still a buy and why it still wants to go up higher. Welcome everyone to the channel. As always, come through and show your support, and you do that by liking, sharing, subscribing if you want more of the buys that I think are, or not buys, but the stocks that I think are a buy and I think are going to go higher. Keep it locked here. All right, so now a lot of people ain't talking about copper. You know, a lot of people talk about AI stocks, data centers, energy plays, infrastructure stocks to build the data centers. I get it, but there's always other stocks in different industries in different sectors that are also moving. And when you look at this stock right here, nobody's talking about copper. Nobody on YouTube, at least, and maybe a couple of people. But this stock has gone on a run too. It's participating with the AI stocks too. Now, let's talk about why we think this stock is still due to go up higher in price. For one, this market is making higher lows. When you see that, that tells you automatically that this market is being controlled by the buyers. Two, is that this market in Southern Copper is creating pockets to where people are buying, to where institutions are buying. And when you see that, that lets you know that we need to pay attention. And right here on the 5-day chart, I want you all to notice that whenever sellers come into this stock, right, this bar right there is a sell bar. This bar right here is a sell bar. The next 5 days, what does the market do? Does it continue to sell off? No, it went right back up instead. That's how you tell people are buying, off of the price chart. And when you see that, that lets you know who's more determined to come in and participate. Now, we got where the buyers are. Here is where the sellers are. Okay, so let me make that here. Because for us, we need to see where the people are. We need to see where the majority of buyers and where the majority of sellers are. Okay. And then again at the all-time high price. Hold on. Okay, then there's another one at the all-time high. Now, we're looking for the stock to go up. I don't think that this first sell pocket is going to be a problem for us because we got all of these people below that sell pocket that's been buying. It's building pressure so that they'll be able to break through that first sell pocket. We may target the middle or the high of the sell pocket right there. Okay, so it looks very bullish on the 5-day time frame. Let's look at Southern Copper on the weekly chart. Look how we concluded this week. Market endured some selling, but the buyers were able to push the price at the very top of that price bar. That doesn't happen if people ain't buying. So now the test for this week would be, okay, will the sellers show up again? Because if they do, then we'll need to anticipate that this stock is going to go back down. Okay, that's what we have to do. Get ready for this stock to go back down in price. Hold on, let me move that back because I'm looking at this on the daily. And let me fix this. I want to get the sell and buy pockets accurate on the daily charts and not on the weekly or the 5-day. Might keep that one there. I'll run this over here like that one. I'm gonna bring this down a little bit. Okay. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Got 4 days, 4 hours left. Again, you guys can see we're making higher lows. Price currently is closing at the high of the bar. Sellers did not win on the prior 2 weeks because the price is currently closing above the prior 2-week price bar close. Here it is on the 3 weeks. I want you all to see from this perspective that these 3 weekly price bars, this one, and this one, sellers attempted to break down this stock, but they weren't successful. Every time price dips, it goes right back up. Price dip, go right back up. Price dip, they bring the price right back up. This is a very huge amount of demand that is being bought at $160 or so. Here it is on the monthly chart. So we don't think this stock is finished with the market move to the upside. And with that, we are going to look for the stock to go up. It's just that simple. So let me go ahead and get this prediction, drop it there. Okay, our first target is going to be this middle sell pocket. Okay, either at the high or the low of it. So at the low, it is 7.62% at 205. At the high, it's 10.5, 211 bucks. Next target is going to be this next sell pocket, that all-time high area, 217 to 223, which is 17.19%. And I would say anything above that would just be extra. Okay, and that's it. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you guys maintain profit, and as always, trade different.